Rick's just dropped me off in the Wombat State Forest again. I'm about to pop my pack on and head out for an overnight hike. Not sure where, but I'm hoping somewhere by a creek this time. I have 3 litres of water with me, but if I have a fire, it'd be nice to have a creek, or failing a creek, at least a big bog hole. So I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but about there are some really thick ferns, which says to me, going downhill, there's potentially a water source or creek. There is a creek on the map, but I didn't think that it was flowing. But anyway, let's go have a look. So, all of that searching, and I've ended up at a little place that I've camped at before. So yeah, this is camp for tonight. I'm in a tent tonight, not a bivvy. I've also got my Alton Goods tarp. So this was a heavy pack. Not only have I got my tent, but I've got my tarp, I've got my chair, I've got my trangia, I've got my new little, what's it called? Bushbox Firebox Nano to test out tonight. I've got some fat wood that I brought with me that you can see over there, and also I'm drying out some twigs under the tarp in case it rains again. But yeah, there's no creek. There were no spots by the creek that didn't have enormous trees overhanging, and I'm not happy to do that, so this is my little spot for the night. So it's only midday and it's already down to 7.2. It's going to be a cold one tonight. So tonight I've got with me Rick's insulated pad. I found it a little bit more comfortable than mine, even though mine's got the higher R rating, but this should still keep me warm. I've got my Domex -10 sleeping bag. I've got my Cedar Summit thermal liner, and I've got my warm clothes for when it starts to get really cold. I've put everything from my pack into a shopping bag because it's going to be frosty. Well, there's forecast frost and 100% humidity, so I'm tipping that everything's going to get wet. It's not wrapped in plastic, so that's what that's for. And my little bag for my boots. And yeah, so hopefully I'll be toasty warm tonight. I have just collected and broken up into a nice little pile, some sticks for my nano. So we'll see how that goes. What's going on here? Hey. Hear the sizzle of that wet wood. I think they're still frozen. And there you have it. Beef sausages with potato, onion and coleslaw. Yummo. Well, dinner was delicious. I'm about to make a cuppa and then light the fire. I'm not sure where I'm whispering, but it's so quiet. I feel like I'm disturbing the bush if I talk too loud. It's just so still and so quiet. Just the birds So, turns out I'm not a Boy Scout. Failed with the fire, even with the lovely wood that someone had left here for me. And so what I've been doing is collecting some more sticks, and I'm just going to sit with my little nano thing for a couple of hours and then hop into bed once it gets dark. So yeah, there you go. So just a little update. I'm bailing. I can hear people laughing, I can hear voices, and they're probably miles away through the forest. But after my last experience up near Castlemaine with Zeusy, I am completely spooked. I'm freaked out, and I'm a sookie lala, and I'm going home. So Rick's on his way to pick me up. I'm just going to pack up. I'm not going to film anything. Thank you for watching. I hope the next one's going to be better than this. I need to go somewhere a little bit more stealthy where I know that people aren't going to be able to see me, and yeah, maybe that will help. So I'm all packed up, and that was my fire just there. So I've dismantled that. It's all out. And I'm just, waiting for Rick to pick me up now. What a sookie lala. If you have any tips on how I get over this, please leave a comment below and let me know. Because I love it out here. I love doing this, but come night time, and all of a sudden I am just completely spooked. It actually looks quite light on the camera, but it's really starting to get dark now. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's just beautiful. That background and the walk that I had, and the creek and the ferns and the birds. Oh, it's just amazing. I want to do this more. Help me out. My hero.